Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an embed. An embed is a powerful way to bring external content directly onto your web page, making your site more dynamic and engaging. Imagine effortlessly showcasing a YouTube video, a Google map, or a social media post without needing to host the content yourself. This process significantly enhances user experience by keeping visitors on your site while they interact with diverse media. The first step is to obtain the embed code from your desired content source. Most platforms, such as YouTube, Vimeo, or even Google Maps, provide a share or embed button. Clicking this will reveal an HTML snippet, typically an iframe tag, specifically designed for embedding. Carefully copy this entire code block. It contains all the necessary instructions for your web page to display the external content correctly. Once you have your embed code, the next step is straightforward. Paste it directly into your HTML file. You'll want to place this code precisely where you intend the embedded content to appear on your web page. For instance, if you want a video below a paragraph, paste the code right after that paragraph. Always ensure the embed code resides within the body section of your HTML document for proper rendering. After embedding, you can customize its appearance. You might adjust the width and height attributes within the iframe tag to fit your layout, perhaps setting them to 560 pixels by 315 pixels. For responsiveness, consider using CSS to make the embed adapt to different screen sizes. Also, always add a descriptive title attribute to your iframe for improved accessibility, helping screen readers understand the content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.